Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I am going to be cleaning my living room and bringing you some living room cleaning motivation. The kids and I have been hanging out in the living room and I have been knitting. So this is going to be a living room disaster clean with me. If you want to see how I tackle this living room and get you some cleaning motivation, then stay tuned. So I'm going to start off by gathering all my yarn and getting all my knitting and crafty things off the couch.
I will never leave you in the pouring rain, and no matter what we go through, love will still remain. So do what you want, baby.
You guys, it never fails. My children always like to make a guest appearance in my videos. Hey Ray, thank you for photobombing my video.
When the day is done, so come a little bit closer.
So next I'm going to start trying to clear off the couch. You guys, I really did not know where I wanted to start in this living room. I was all over the place, and you're going to see in this moment I didn't know what I wanted to do or where I wanted to start, but I settled for just trying to clear the couch off, and then I'm going to have Ray to take all the hair stuff into the bathroom.
So glad that I found you. You're the missing piece.
So next I'm going to pick up all these little scrap pieces of yarn off the floor because these things cannot go into my vacuum cleaner, and then I'm going to straighten up the couch. I want to take this time to say thank you for being here and clicking on another video and getting some cleaning motivation from me. To all of my new subscribers and my oldies but goodies, thank you guys for being a part of my fam bam. I really do appreciate you guys also very much. So we are coming up on the end of the video. I'm going to go ahead and give my carpet a little cleaning. Thank you guys for tuning in to this video. I hope you got you some much needed cleaning motivation. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up on your way out. And if you are not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and be a part of my YouTube fam bam. Make sure that post notification bell is turned on so you won't miss out on any videos from me. And I love you guys so very much, and I will see you in my next one. Bye bye.